Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M9, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this LENOVO. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access notifications over here. Following that, tap on App Settings, select Most Recent, and tap on the best option for you, in my case, All Apps. Then just click on the switchers next to apps from which you want to block notifications, in my case, Calendar and Camera. You can turn them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!